How to fix KB5053602 fails to install in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run disk cleanup. Ensuring that your system has enough space to accommodate the update is very important. Likewise, disk cleanup can help you to get rid of buggy update cache files. The Troubleshooter is a basic, pre-installed tool that could help with issues related to various Windows issues, including the update process. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, a temporary glitch may stall the update process, but pausing and resuming it can often get things moving again with minimal effort.